Hey guys, what's up? Alright, it's Double Deuce back. So I got an update on an air cleaner mod. As you can see, I got some foam covers on there. So I was just tuning out the other night, listening to some tunes. I grabbed my headphones and I realized that the tiny little earphone foams, you can get them in different sizes, and I think these were 13 with the hole in the center, and I think 18 or 20 on the outside. Now this is like almost 20 across anyway, but they fit nice and flat and tight over them, so you don't have to worry about any unwanted dirt getting into your, if you like the velocity stacks. They fit kind of nice, and so far so good. I don't know how they're going to hold up to the fuel, but we're going to give it a try, because if you notice, these velocity stacks are kind of hard to put air cleaners on. So on this one here, I just had a piece of foam running across all four of them, but I kind of wanted something individual. So I bought a couple of packs of these. They're cheap, I mean, for what they are, and you know, you get, I think, 5 pairs, you know, per package. So that way you got extra air cleaner filters if you screw one up. So like I say, I'm gonna see how it works out, but I wanted to throw that idea out there because it's better than nothing. So you can see I got new sneakers on the Skyline, so it's getting closer to running. I had to kind of hand make those wheels and tires on there, so it worked out well. And I bought the Hoons de boots off the Felony, and they're just way too small. They're way too small for this. So however, these will probably fit a 6 scale, kind of nice, because that's a 5th scale, you know. These are a 7th scale tire, but the fronts are smaller and thinner than the rear. So if you're going to do something wide all the way around, buy 4 rears. I bought 4 rears for some project down the road. But anywho, that's my video on the air filter dilemma. I kind of like the velocity stacks. I don't know about you guys. I've heard some guys taking them off. They're in there with I guess some Loctite. They push them in Loctite, but if you need the space, I could see removing them, and you're gonna have to move your high-end needles. But so far, I think it works pretty good. So like, share, subscribe if you want. You guys take care, and I got more videos to come. So later. Adios.